Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys, and I'm gonna do a closet clean out, of course with Bear's help. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys around my closet and also what I'm looking for. I have a vision in my head of what I'm looking for, what I want out of my closet, and also I'm showing you how I organize everything in my closet. It's insane right now because of all the videos and imagination that I've had in my head for the past few days. So let's get started. Over here, starting off with my dresses. I don't have too many jumpsuits, everything in here. This is something that I'm definitely going to be working on, trying to fill my closet with. So I have my skirts, pants right here. It doesn't look like a lot, but I do have it on like a hanger that does go down like that and it's kind of tucked away. I have all of my jackets, hoodies, and zip ups, and also like any half zips, anything like that. And in the back, this is something that I do want to get rid of, a few of things back here, but these are things that are mostly like out of season, very occasional, like nice dresses. Some of my bridesmaids dresses that I've had over the past few years, I'm tucking away in that corner. My heavier jackets and coats are right here. I do have a few jackets. I don't know if anyone keeps these in their closet, but it's just pieces that I unfortunately gained weight and can't fit in anymore. So I tucked them away because they're super cute, and I hope in the future that I could wear them again. Next to all my jackets and coats, I have all my sweaters, cardigan sweaters, anything like that. They are kind of put in together with the long sleeves as well. I try to color coordinate everything too in here. I do have a few things that I might get rid of. I don't know yet. I need the help. And then it goes into my short sleeve tops. Short sleeve and then sleeveless. And then for some reason, I have all my graphic tees in the corner right here. It came to a point in my life where I was wearing a graphic tee every single day. It was unhealthy and I needed to switch up my fashion sense. And I think it was during COVID where I just got so comfortable wearing the same Nirvana shirt 20 times. So I tucked them away as well in the corner to make sure that I don't wear them all the time. And then I have my jeans. I did try to color coordinate my jeans. All my blue jeans in here, gray, black shorts. These are my jean shorts. And then extra jeans. Again, a few things that don't fit me quite the way I want them to. So I have to be real with myself and see if I want to get rid of anything in here. We'll see what happens with those. My purses are all right here. I do need to find a way to organize them a little better. I did have something on my Amazon wish list, these little like dividers, but they were way more huskier. Other than these, I got these at Daiso. They are bookends. And I use them to organize or try to divide them and make them a little more propped up in hopes that it would look a little more organized. It worked for some of mine, but I didn't get enough of these. I only got 2, so maybe I'll get more of those or maybe I won't. I'm thinking of organizing them in a different way. I also have some of my travel stuff up here, my backpacks. I have a hiking backpack. I've probably worn this once and I look like such a first timer hiking with one of these. I have my Baze bag. Baze is one of my favorite brands. It's by Shay Mitchell, the best thing ever. In the corner I have my Baze, what is this, cosmetic my Baze cosmetic bag right here. This was gifted to me. It was so cute and I've loved this forever. It comes with like a little mini mirror as well to do your makeup with. It's so perfect. I do have a Michael Kors bag. I know, so 2016. I actually got this as a gift from my boyfriend around that year, and I would tote this around for so long, but of course Michael Kors has ran its course. I also heard that they are racist, or he is racist. Comment down below if that is a true comment. I have a few bags in here that I might want to go through and get rid of. I do have a few other bags that I did hang up on here. There were more of like backpacks that I did get. And then also I have my little bag up here that is so cute. I got this at Ross. I'm definitely keeping her. And then in the back of my door, I do have all my accessories. They're hats, beanies, gloves, all of the above. I do have a few like little wallets or handbags that are there. And then I have my belts right here. Excuse my ring light. I have them from majority Shein. Shein's such a great place. They're like $6. I did get this one from Boohoo, and I think I did get another one from Boohoo as well. And then this one's from American Eagle from a million years ago that I just will never let go. It's literally 10 years old. It's disgusting. You know, we all have those pieces in our closet. Going down here, all my shoes, I have majority of sneakers right here. I have the new shoes. If you didn't check that out, my first video that I've ever posted, falling prices, I got these for $2. Well, my boyfriend did. Insane. They're super cute. I have some of my heels right here. You can barely see it. Boots, mules, loafers, everything's tucked away in here. I did want to get like those boot standy, my steamer, because I'm going to steam some of my, I did do a Shein haul also, so I'm going to be steaming some of those pieces. I have our luggage. That's Alan's luggage, my luggage, and then our little workout stuff that we did get. My sister did get me some weights, the waist trainer thing. What is that? A yoga mat that I do work out on. Have that little station right there. So yeah, safe to say that I do need to organize. I want to donate, maybe throw away depending on the quality, and then also put up for sale on Poshmark. So let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna start with the dresses, work our way all the way to the other side. Got this at Target. Probably the cutest water bottle I've ever had. I'm a little terrified that this is gonna break, but I did have one of the maintenance guys from our apartment complex come and drill some holes over there. So first thing first, got this at Laura's Boutique. It's just like a long sweater dress. I think I'm actually going to keep this for one more season and see if I wear it. This, I got this from Shein. It's another sweater dress thing. I've worn this once. I'm gonna try to sell this on Poshmark. This overall dress thing I got from Target. There's something right there. I might need to wash this, but I am going to sell this on Poshmark. It did its job, and thank you so much. She's going to be sold. That's it for dresses. So we're moving on to skirts, pants. What do you want to call them? Black shorts. I mean, what can you get rid of here? Maybe these shorts. Almost looks like a skirt. I did get it from American Eagle. I'm gonna keep it. These, the gingham is a little out of style, so I'm gonna sell these. It's actually a score. Let it go. So this is gonna be a good section. I have these pants, American Eagle. They're just not flattering on me. I don't know what made me think that these would look good on my body, but no. It makes me look like a cardboard box. So bye-bye. Another gingham style pant. I thrifted these. I want to say from Savers. I still think they're kind of cute. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can sell them. These are not flattering on my body either. This is my problem, is that I go with trends and I don't actually think about my body type, but I'm getting rid of those. This, I think I'm gonna give this away. I thrifted this, but this is sold everywhere at Target. Let's see if I can sell you. I'm traveling through this, so let's see here. I have this jacket that I think is so cute. It's not the fit that I want. I'm actually gonna give this away. Same thing with this one. This bomber jacket. What am I doing with this bomber jacket? A lot of 2016 items that I refuse to get rid of. I have a few summer dresses that are back here that I love. I'm not getting rid of, but they're just back here for seasonal purposes. I do also have like occasional dresses back there for weddings, for like nice dinners. I do have this dress that I'm on the fence about. I'm gonna keep it. She's going in the vault. Got this as a gift again. It has the cha-cha feel. I can't see myself wearing this anywhere. I'm gonna try to sell it. I have another item that was gifted to me. It's just not my style, so I think I'm gonna sell it. Okay. And it's just not me, so I'm gonna get it out. I don't know, something about it just makes me not want it. Does anyone else feel that way, or is this just me that looks at their clothes and I'm just like, what? I think I'm breaking up with this shirt. Still has the tags on it. Never been worn. It's giving me like 2016 vibes. I still have not worn this, so I think I'm gonna sell it. Shirt, I've worn it probably once or twice, and I looked in the mirror and I'm like, why am I wearing this? We'll see if someone else loves it. We're halfway there. This piece is hanging on by a thread. Maybe next year I'll get rid of it, but not today. This is something that I thrifted, so I might just donate this again, but I used to wear this all the time when I had an office job. I'm gonna put it right there, just in case. I don't know yet. This is like one of those cute sleeper shirts. I'm gonna go to Alan and ask him if I should keep these items or not. This is something I'm gonna sell. Those sleeves are cute. I got this one at Five Below. It's only $5, so I feel like it's not that big of a deal if I keep it or if I sell it. I got this one from Shein, and I mean, it's cute. Is that a stain? I have never worn that. We'll see what happens with that one. Another Shein buy, and I think it's super cute. It's just very, very short. I'm gonna give that one away. This one, it was insane how many times I have worn this top. We had a great time with each other. Thank you, but I think I'm gonna try to sell this one as well. This one was another gift, and it's actually super cute. The only thing that makes me not want to keep this is the scallop detailing, so I'm gonna get rid of this. So this piece is from American Eagle. It's just not me anymore. Yeah, she's going. So this is one of those wrap shirts, very small. It's almost like a scarf. You could wear it in like different ways, but basically it goes like this. Just was not flattering whatsoever. I'm definitely getting rid of this. I did mention that I had a big space right here for all my graphic tees, but I did maneuver them around. I went through them off camera. I actually did get rid of one, and it was a green shirt that said Colorado. Why do I need a shirt that says Colorado? I do not know. I think I went through everything that I need to. I definitely have a lot more space. Thank you everyone who watched my videos. I think I might do a part 2 of my jeans and shoes, even though I went through all that in the beginning of the month. So I don't really have much to give away there. I will link also my Poshmark if you liked any of the items that I said that I was going to give away. I will link the Poshmark down below in the description. Whenever I watch any of the clean out videos or closet clean outs, it's kind of just something nice to play in the background. So thank you for letting me be your background music. All right, that's it for my video. Thank you. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.